For example, this one, how time you need to do this one?
3,000 hours.
No.
Yeah.
Wow. But it's really, really nice. I don't see nowhere this. And this one,
Yeah, that's
also a big one.
yeah. It took also, I think, 1.5 years.
Yeah,
Yeah.
really. And which sort of the wood you use, this one?
We call it merbau.
Merba.
Merbau. That's the Dutch name. I don't know the international
It's same.
name.
It
Maybe
must
it's
be
the
same.
Yeah.
Because merba, it's in Turkish also, I think.
Oh, maybe. Yeah.
It's not changing. And I will make also this small video.
Yeah.
Look, and this one is for also 1 year. Oh my god.
Ik dacht, waar blijft ze nou?
And this also.
This is my first sculpture. I
Okay.
made it. It's almost antique. I made it more than 40 years ago.
Okay. It's very nice
But what's
also.
the name of
And this one, it's turning and it's writing what? It's specially writing something?
Yeah,
with-
it's een woordgrapje. Maybe misschien kun jij dat vertalen.
It's a joke about
Okay.
alphabet.
The word vocal in Holland
Yeah.
is klinker.
Yeah.
And it's the same as straatklinker, the pavement on the street.
And what is your name, please?
Gerard Lentink.
Lentink. Wow.
Little book about one sculpture commission.
Wow. It's also very special atelier in Netherlands, in Dordrecht.
Dort.
Okay.
Of Schapenkappen.
It's very nice place. It's really, I'm very happy to come here. And oh my God, it's need time, need passion, needs really a lot of things.
Sculpture that will be more than 20 meters high.
Yeah, in wood, on metal.
In steel
Okay.
and concrete.
Ah, nice.
And the local government has said yes, okay, yeah, you can make it, but
and
has
it's
to be
local.
financed.
You do for local place, huh? Local place. You do this sculpture.
I don't know what you mean with that.
You can do for everywhere.
I have a huge sculpture in Cape Town. That one, the diver, 7 meters long, and I did some work in France, and in Belgium there's a huge sculpture. Okay.
And he's coming in Turkey. He's coming
If
to.
you invite me, I'll be
Okay,
there.
every time you are welcome. But he was in Turkey, in Cappadocia,
Yeah,
in Izmir,
yeah.
and he
I
was
show you.
he was walking, Harry.
Okay.
Yes. Which city? Can you repeat to us? Which city?
I'll show you. In 2050, I made a walking from South Italy to Istanbul,
Oh my God.
and I did those walks before with my girlfriend, and this she didn't like to accompany me, so she was. It was okay for her that I made that walk in
Yeah.
100 days, but then I had to write letters to her. So these are the 13 letters I wrote to her.
Oh my God.
And I made a book of it.
And he was in Izmir.
Yeah.
Then it was in Adana, Sivas.
Yeah, that was before. I have a friend who is who studied Ottoman history,
Okay.
and he know to speak Turkish, so it was a nice guide to travel with him.
Super.
Yeah.
It's we are lucky to meet him. Huh?